So here's how we can save email attachments on the iPad. So let me show you how it would work. If this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one. Anyways, you open up the Mail app, which is most likely the built-in one from Apple, even though there are other mail clients as well. But let's start with that one. And if you notice that you get like an inbox and that there is like an email which contains an attachment, it should open up like this. This is actually a PDF file, and in order for me to save it, all I have to do is just to hold down on it, and this gives me the ability to either copy and paste somewhere else, or tap on Save to Files, which opens up the window where I can save it within my Files app. The Files app is like the browser of files on the iPad, something like Finder on a Mac, and then there you get to basically decide if you want to start a new folder or save it in the local storage or iCloud, however you decide to go with it, but that's how you can save it. If it happens to you that you do not see the Save to Files button, sometimes it happens, especially in the different apps. What you can also click on is the Share tool, and this gives you the ability to share it through different ways. But usually when you click on Share, you should also see the Save to Files. So if you do not see it initially, just click on Share, and it's likely that you are going to see it right there. So this is how it works, and it generally applies to other mail apps as well. Just click on Share the attachment and save it to your local storage. So I hope it helps. In case of any further questions, let me know below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.